Now we are going to show you Polygon Tool 3D logo. Select the Polygon tool. Control and Shift and draw the polygon. And here make the 6. Then second time select and make the 90 degree. Then click lock ratio. Make the lock and give here 100 automatically tape size. Now is 100. Go to freehand tool. Draw one line. Press the control and draw the line and make an unlock. And give select the line 30 millimeters. And make little bit more thickness and pen tool here. Make here a 3 millimeters. Or I make 2 of them. Okay, give the color by click. And select this behind line. And shift and select polygon tool. C+E and T top just automatically center top. Then go to again freehand tool and make a line. Control press draw the line for the straight. Then you go to here, view and snap to keep always object keep right. Keep active. Okay, then come here. Make this one and keep here center. Touch this line and we hold. The center point. Keep here and control press and move C. You make control press. And you can move this like this second line. Then hold it OK. Then select one and make it little bit big. Now it's like now red lines. Make delete and select the line for rotate. Keep this point here the center. See, and you move here, you can see the showing center. Okay, then. Hold control press and rotate to here. Then control plus R for the repeat. Okay. Then select all. Then you can go to here. Make back minus front and all cut it. Then I click here and break. Then this part all separated. Then dispose on select and delete. Now you take again the freehand hand tool and control press. And draw the line down for the straight. And give the size for 30 millimeters. Then take this bottom hold and keep here the center. See the showing center. Now make the center point down. And control press and move down. 120 degree and repeat for the control R. Then take again the freehand tool and keep this point. And here. And then his point here. Now select again and keep the center point here. And move to other place. Right click and left click to release for the duplicate. Then control press R for the repeat. Now we are going to fill up Smart Fill. Take this Smart Fill. Now see it's a separate line. Now undo. Okay, now you are going to do this one. Going to show you this contour. Give OK. Make inner. See here if you make 1 is showing. 2 mean 2 lines showing. 3 mean 3 lines I need 1. Okay, and also this one make. Okay, here select inner. This one now is also separate object. Now right click then break. Now this separate. Also this separate now selective green and brown. Shift plus select both and make back minus front. Show you one object. Also do same other. Then go to back minus front. Now is separate. Now select this both. Shift plus select. And again select give the center point here. And move to 120 degree. And right click and release left click. For the duplicate. Then Ctrl plus R. And then make group. Then rotate. And select then rotate 120 degree. Okay, then Ctrl plus R. Then take outer line. Take out. Now select all here. Make ungroup all that is a group. Make it ungroup all. Change the color. Little bit dark. Select all then make group. Select for rotate. Rotate 180 degree. And right click and left click for the duplicate. Then select this one and Ctrl plus page down go to back. Select this one and ungroup. Change back path color. Now you can look like a 3D. Now we are going to draw football shape. Draw the line. Then make here 6. A little bit small. And duplicate one more. And Ctrl plus R for repeat. Hold this corner and keep it down layer. Make duplicate. Then select for color. Give color black. Then select all. Make duplicate. And Ctrl+R for repeat. Select all. Make group, Ctrl+G. Select circle. "50 by 50 size for the circle. Then go to Effect, then Lens. And select here Fish Eye. Fish Eye, then you can see the difference. You can adjust the shape. Select the frozen and take out. Sometimes you can see like this. Then what you have to do, right-click then ungroup. Then you can delete this one. OK. Select all. Make a group. If you need more look 3D, go to Shadow. Make 50 by 50 mm circle. Then go to here Shadow. Then drag. You can adjust top toolbar. Make outline. Then right-click, break. Make power clip inside. You can adjust the place. Give OK. Select both then, E+C. Look 3D shape. Make group all. Then move to center point. Ctrl+page down. For go to back. Look the 3D logo. You have any doubt, please comment me.